Hey guys, so it's after 3 a.m. where I am, but I got a few hours sleep and I'm feeling pretty energized. Thought I'd make a couple of videos while I'm up. Now, in the last video we did 3 times, and so on in that regard. Now, if you remember, we've got a variable x that I haven't deleted yet, but if you guys have, remember x equals Chris. Use your name if you want, and then space and leave a comma. I'll leave the quotation mark. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to do x and Pratt. Now this doesn't work because we can't really concatenate variables and strings, because this sees it as a variable and this is clearly a string. So before testing it, it's just said no, it doesn't like what we've done. So what we need to do, x plus Pratt, and it'll run that fine. But another thing that we've got to wonder is, if we use print, can we just use this function? And you might have guessed by now, but no, you can't. When using print, you still need to add in the plus sign. Now, I'm going to go a little bit further into this one. We're going to actually copy this line here. So, and what I'm going to do, so I'm going to add the space on the end of Pratt, and I'm also going to add 3 times x plus Pratt. Now, it's got Chris, Pratt. Now, if you remember from the last video, I hope it was the last video, when we did times 3, well, 3 times x, and we didn't have this plus, we just had 2 little strings combined together, it figured out that what it did is it added the strings together first. Now, since we're using a variable, we can't just automatically add the strings together like this. As you see, we've got a little syntax error. So what we have to do is we have to do x plus, I'm going to delete this one, and x plus Pratt. But before that, we need to put these into another brackets if we want to have Chris Pratt repeated 3 times rather than just Chris Pratt. So there we go. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now that's it for this video. What we'll be doing next is we'll be seeing how we can join strings and how that's done in Python in the next video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and assuming my voice isn't too soft in this video, I'll be doing it in the next video, and you'll probably never actually see this one if it's too soft. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.